Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about meals. Meals are, in Spanish, are very special because they are not just a noun, but also they're verbs. So let's have a look at them as nouns. Here, el desayuno, it's breakfast. Yeah. El almuerzo is that's lunch. Uh, In Spain, almuerzo is called comida. Uh, well, in Chile, I think it's called colación. These names vary a lot, but these are like the standard ones. So el desayuno, breakfast, el almuerzo, lunch. La merienda is like the snack or something in the middle, and la cena is dinner. Yeah. So you have all the meals here. Yeah, that's how they're called. And now let's have a look at them as verbs. Um, in Spanish, our meals can also be verbs. Um, so we use that like to breakfast, to lunch, like to dine. Well, in English, you can say to dine, yeah, and to snack, also to snack. So yeah, we have these verbs. Desayunar, a verb, means to have breakfast. Almorzar, a verb, means to have lunch. Merendar, a verb, means to have snack. And cenar, a verb, means to have dinner. So as you can see, you can pretty much, you don't say I have lunch. You say I lunch. You don't say I have breakfast. You say I breakfast, and so on. So let's have a look at some examples here. We have this question. ¿Qué desayunas? It's like, what do you have for breakfast? Yo desayuno pan con café. Here's the answer. I have for breakfast bread and coffee. Good. ¿Qué almuerzas? What do you have for lunch? Yo almuerzo sopa con pescado. Okay. I have for lunch soup and fish. Good. ¿Qué meriendas? What do you have for snack? Yo meriendo un sándwich. Good. Last one. ¿Qué cenas? What do you have for dinner? Yo ceno ensalada y pollo. These questions here, normally you do them in past tense, but we haven't seen past tense yet. So once we learn past tense, we're gonna do them again. Yeah. And also the answers are gonna be in past tense. So we're gonna have a lot of fun with that. Um, so that's it. Uh, Now, these are our meals. And remember, we don't have breakfast, we don't have lunch, we don't have dinner. We lunch, we dine, and we breakfast as verbs. Um, so, yeah, I want to make an emphasis on this. In Spanish, we never use the verb to have when it comes to eat or drink stuff. We never have food, we never have drinks, we never have this we eat the food, we drink the drinks. So please don't use the verb to have, because in Spanish the verb to have is to possess an object. It's in your possession. That's it. If I say I have a sandwich, in Spanish yo tengo un sándwich, it doesn't mean I eat a sandwich. It means I have a sandwich in my hands. It's in my possession. I'm not eating it. I'm just having it in my possession. That's it. So please don't use the verb to have when you eat or drink. Instead, you're going to use the verb to eat and the verb to drink. That's how you do it in Spanish. Let's have a look at this example here. Yo voy a comer arroz con frijoles y voy a tomar café. In English, you could say this like, I'm going to have rice with beans and I'm going to have coffee. You see? So, yeah, in English works, in Spanish it doesn't. So, yeah, just keep that in mind. And that's why we also have meals as verbs. It's because we don't have a meal, we don't have breakfast, we don't have dinner. We just breakfast, we dine, we lunch. Yeah, this is a really, really important concept. Second, and extremely important concept where I find thousands of mistakes is the verb comerse in reflexive. This is an everyday mistake I see in foreigners learning Spanish. It's different comerse to comer. There is a huge difference here. Comer is when you eat something in general. Let's say I eat meat. Cool. You eat meat. So yo como carne. That means you eat meat. In general, in your life, you eat meat. You're not vegetarian, you eat meat. Okay, perfect. But that doesn't mean you're eating a steak. Because a steak is something specific. And here is where the difference comes. Uh, comer se, reflexive, means you're eating something countable, specific, something countable, something you can count. So it's you're eating something. You're not eating in general like meat. You're eating like a piece of meat. You're eating a steak. You're eating a pizza. You're eating a hamburger. You're eating fries. You're eating, or also with drinking. You're drinking a Coca-Cola, a Coke. You're drinking a Sprite. You're drinking a bottle of water. All those things are countable. Yeah, it's not that I drink water in general. It is like you're drinking a bottle of water. So that's the big difference here, please. So I want you to keep this in mind. So one example here is I eat pizza, but I eat not pizza. I eat a pizza. I eat a pizza. It's one pizza, you know. So you don't say yo como pizza. You don't say that. Yo como pizza. That will be like I eat pizza in general in my life. If you're eating one pizza, a pizza, you say yo me como una pizza. Reflexive here. Yo me como una pizza. Yeah? Now that you know this, order in restaurants with this. Yo me como una pizza. Yo me como una hamburguesa. Yo me como una, no sé, un arroz. So use this reflexive here to order the things you want to eat. So when you open the menu and you see a dish, you're gonna say, let's say the dish is, I don't know, sopa, or no, hamburguesa, easy, burger. There is a burger, cheeseburger, and you wanna order it. Please say, yo me como esta hamburguesa. I'll have this burger. That's it. Um, that's it. So this is pretty much the rest that I want that I thought it was very important to know. And yeah, so that will be it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can use it in your everyday like restaurant situations. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hasta luego.